All right, what's going on, everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas, and we're gonna look at this resale modern home here by Pkwy Homes. Now, this home is actually a resale home, and the name of this community is called Liberty. They just literally built these homes here in this neighborhood. There's still a lot of new development taking place here, so we're probably about 15 minutes from the M Casino. If you just head west down here, you're gonna hit Las Vegas Boulevard. You're gonna be able to jump on the 15 to head to McCarran International, which is right about here. You are probably about 15-20 minutes from the airport, 15-20 minutes from the strip. St. Rose is just right up here too as well. St. Rose is a main sector road. You have all your grocery shopping, Costco's, everything that you can think about. There's a lot of development taking place. So today we're going to be exploring this resale home. This was actually built in 2020. It is 3,008 square feet and it's 4 bedrooms, has a loft, and total of 3 baths. There's a 2-car garage. As you can see, we have a balcony too as well. This is one of the desirable models by Pkwy. So Pkwy now owns American West Homes. So let's go inside. Let's see exactly what this home has to offer. As you can see, we have the pavers, and we also have some calcium buildup here. As you can see, there's a lot of vegetation in the front. You got the the fire hydrant right here, and as you can see, we have this red curb here. So this is still a brand new home. I do love the color combo on here. Let's go off to this side. Home is facing north, so your sun exposure is going to be setting right here on the west side. Okay, so it looks like we have a fairly brand new, well, I don't want to say fairly brand new, it's 2 years old. What am I saying? We got 2 Lennox air conditioning units. However, if you notice, there's not a wall here, which is pretty strange. Normally there's a retaining wall here. But let's go take a look on this side of the home. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I forgot to mention the asking price on here is $700,000, which is a very good price. Also, I'm actually shooting this property for a client that I gotta send out to. So give a quick shout out to Mimi. Send this video over to Mimi. Now, I notice there's some sort of like speaker thing here. I'm not too sure what this is. If you guys know what that is, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so let's go into the house now. So we have some beautiful luxury laminate flooring. And certain parts of this video is going to be a little bit dark, but there's a lot of upgrades to this home here. If you can see, we have a casing around the doors here, right? The door frame. And it looks really good. They did a good job. You got crown molding, casings around all the windows. Okay, orange peel texture. It's a little bit dark here. Again, I do apologize. But I mean, take a look at the attention to detail. Casings here. You got beautiful 12-inch baseboards. Look at that. They cased this whole frame too as well. Gorgeous, right? Now this is going to be a short video. Look at this island here. You got island, and it looks like, I'm not too sure if these are cabinets underneath or just faux cabinets. They do look like cabinets. Let's take a look here. Nope. And they're faux cabinets. You got a 3-inch quartz front face, full overlay cabinets, which is gorgeous. Okay, these are not MDFs. They're actually light oak wood with some staple. So the cabinet itself is a quality cabinet here. Okay, we have the side glides. Okay, but I love this full overlay cabinet. This looks really nice. On this option, you could have put 2 refrigerators here if you wanted to, or like a full built-in. We got 9-foot ceilings. Again, look at the crown all the way around. You got the original countertops that actually come with this, and as you can see, we have 2 color cabinets, white and also this light espresso color. 42 upper cabinets here, standard cabinets. You can see here, again, standard cabinets, some pulls. And then we have, typically you had an option to put a window here too as well. Then your exhaust would come up through here. Here's your pantry. Now what's great about these doors, look at this. This one's, you can open it like this, but they're designed to unlock like this. Isn't that cool? Because what happens is you pull the door, right? Instead of going down, then opening it. This is cool, like you pull the door open. Pantry. So you see we got our built-in microwave here. They always did that little nook thing, which is, it killed me. I don't like that. You got the dual basin sink, undermounted sink here. Faucet, okay. Dishwasher. And we have the nice, I like to say these are the wannabe coffered ceilings. But look at this built-in that they did with this feature wall, which is, whoever did this, you can tell they're into like woodwork or something. So they did a really good job on here. Love that. And the pricing on this is unbelievable. $700,000 for this. I mean, look at this. The case of this whole thing right here. That's just like, they must have been a builder or something. Half bath. The pedestal sink. Again, orange build texture. 6/8 on the door. 2-panel doors. You have some extra storage space. Washer and dry on this one. It's not included, but obviously negotiable. Everything is negotiable. Here's your 2-car garage. Okay. Tankless water heater right here. The garage is pretty, what do you call? Pretty high as far as the garage ceiling height. Let's go out to the back real quick while I'm right here. I'm just going to turn off some of these lights, might as well. The backyard definitely needs to be finished. Looks like they had a dog. Looks like they pre-wired for the floodlights. Now with the floodlights, you can do this 2 ways. You can just wire it up without a switch. I definitely would like to have a switch, just in case if you want to turn it off one day, versus having it automatically kick on. So that's something that I would have done. Make sure to ask the owners if it's off a switch. Okay. Now let's go back inside. Lock this thing up. Take you guys upstairs. You have a nice wide casing, 48 inches, which is pretty decent size. Carpet pad, quality carpet grade, quality color. Not feeling the color. As we come up the main walkway, we also have luxury laminate flooring, primary on this side, 2 bedrooms over there. Then we have our loft area. Could have been converted into a bedroom. So here's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, decent size. If you guys want more information, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. 8-foot ceilings, 6/8 on the door. We only have 1 light here. But this 3 rocker switch is for your half hot. One's for the light, and the other one's for a ceiling fan. So they pre-wired that way, which is really nice. So here's the bathroom that services 3 of these bedrooms here. So we have roll-out laminate flooring, nice high countertops, 36 inches, and this is a beautiful, beautiful Korean undermounted sink. This is pretty much standard. All this is standard during the time of the build. Then we have our tub shower combo. Okay. Then our water closet here. Now let's go into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is in front of the house here. It is a little bit dark. Very dark. Okay. Because again, all they did was added this light. So now, and just show you this right here. We have these little hand pull here, and you just take this and you're gonna crank it out. Open this up. Look at this. Crank it out. Get some wind. This is the European style windows. Go ahead and close that. And you just tighten that up. Show you how that works here. Here we go, get some more light on my backside, not my butt side. Alright, that was a joke, folks. You're supposed to be laughing. Closet space. Again, you got the 3 rocker switches, really nice. Coming across the hall here real quick. Take a look, we got some linen closet. Flip this thing around. Coming into bedroom number 3. This bedroom is in front of the house. Okay. Then you have a walk-in closet. This one is a little bit unique. It has a lock here. Not gonna go in there. Battery's about to die, so we're gonna finish up this video as fast as we can. So here's your loft. Definitely decent sized loft size. That's for sure. Yeah, I love that. Come out to the balcony here. Kind of show you what this is all about. This is gorgeous, huh? I love this Madison model. This one was clean for $700, I'm telling you. Good price, actually. Very good price. The banister, that was on upgrade. It's supposed to be a pony wall there. Now let's go into the primary. Now the primary is very large. Large primary. I mean, there's a lot that you can do here. And that's like a king cow bed. Let's take a look at the bathroom. You got the raw laminate flooring again. Nice high vanity. Shower. You could definitely make this into like one big spa shower. I mean, there's a lot that you can do to this. This is a clean slate. However, this is a very clean home. Very impressed. We got one right now in probate. And if you don't know what probate is basically we're doing a deal with a client where we're trying to get the attorney's approval. And typically when it goes to probate, that means somebody had passed away. It doesn't mean they passed away in the house, but had passed away and they have control of the assets and it could be passed down. So that, I mean, that's a whole different process. Now, we've been under contract on this probate for probably about 4 months. Alright, let's go back down here. Oh, one thing, I have a link in the description below regarding this property. HOAs, believe it or not, $50 a month. You can't tell me that's not a good price. $50 a month on this HOA. This has to go because this track is all messed up and all these blinds. But this is how it originally was when I came in, so I don't want to mess with it too much before it just like literally breaks. I'm gonna take you guys with me and I'm gonna just turn off the lights here. Might as well. Love that chandelier though. Whoever did this home after was very crafty. Oh, that's what I needed. I don't remember when I did the tour. I don't remember all these lights were, if they were on or not. Huh? Who knows? Here we go. Let's turn off all the lights. There we go. So this is what it looks like when it's dark. Okay, now let's lock this thing up. But now I have to find, oh, the key's right here, you big dummy. We're gonna lock it up. Boom, done. And we're gonna finish up this video. I mean, look at this. People walking their dogs. It's just such a clean neighborhood, isn't it? Well, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourselves living here, because I sure can. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.